Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durden.
All right, get up and at 'em. Get this day started. We are halfway through the work week, and we are waking up to mostly clear skies out there. Some low-level clouds moving onshore down by the Keys, and we have some low-level clouds over the coastal areas of Miami-Dade and Broward. But moisture is limited. We are seeing some fast-moving showers, more like a drizzle down by the middle and the lower Keys on the radar. But Miami-Dade, Broward, you are staying dry, and you will stay mostly dry throughout the day. Now, our wind flow moving in off the ocean could bring us an isolated sprinkle here or there because we do have some low-level moisture in place, but the actual precipitation that is much needed is staying far to the north, all associated with a cold front moving into the Ohio Valley. So in return, we're staying warm and humid, temperatures well above average for this time of year. We're waking up to the upper 60s in Miami. Average low this time of year, 61 degrees. 72 Fort Lauderdale, 72 in Key West. 72 in Pompano Beach and Oakland Park, 70 degrees in Pembroke Pines and Hialeah, a little cooler in Kendall, Miccosukee with temperatures in the lower 60s. The wind's moving in off the ocean anywhere between 6 and 12 miles per hour. Coast to coast we go. I want to show you what's going on with this frontal boundary moving into the Ohio Valley, bringing rain from Louisiana, stretching all the way in towards the northeast. We've got an area of low pressure over the Great Lakes, and that could bring some lake effect snow if the temperatures dip down to the 30s as we go into the afternoon for our friends in the northeast. But most of the activity is going to be rain from the Ohio area all the way down towards Louisiana, and you can see why. We have that dome of high pressure in place over the western Atlantic, and where the high is located, we always see a clockwise wind pattern, so that's going to drag the wind flow in off the ocean for us and in from the Gulf of Mexico for the southeast states. So definitely a rainmaker for the southeast states today, and we will stay on the drier side of things since high pressure is going to be providing for our fair weather in the afternoon. You can see what's going on from coast to coast. The jet stream has retreated far to the north, and the difference in temperatures behind the front, we've got the 20s and the 30s. Ahead of the front, more mild. Look at this, the 50s all the way up towards the northeast. We've got the 40s, Boston 36, the 60s across the Gulf Coast states, and we are also in the 60s. So with high pressure in place, we will see that ocean breeze. Now that frontal boundary will stay to the north. We will see our temperatures well above average with a bit more humidity in the forecast today. Marine forecast calls for a threat of rip currents if you're headed to the beaches. Small craft exercise caution. The bay will be choppy. By this afternoon, the wind will continue to subside, so most likely we probably will be able to get rid of these advisories if you'd like to do some boating. Small craft advisory this morning, though, for the Keys due to the wind and seas. Nearshore waters choppy. Highs today much warmer than yesterday. We saw upper 70s yesterday. We're forecasting the lower 80s, which is above average for this time of year. Lows in the mid to upper 60s. Could see the possibility of some patchy fog developing tomorrow morning with that low-level moisture in place. Otherwise, we'll be warm, and then the breeze will pick back up as we go into the weekend. Have a great day.